Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can delete your LinkedIn account permanently. Now, this is how you do it. You want to head over to your press on your name. Once you press on your name, for you it's going to be written as me. So once you press on me, you want to head over to settings and privacy. Once you're in settings and privacy, you want to be in this tab, which is going to be named account preferences. Now once you're inside account preferences, you want to scroll all the way down, and then you will see account management, and from here you're going to press on close account. Once you press on close account, they're going to be like, we're sorry to see you, go and tell us the reason. Then you can just press on next and basically go next again. Alright, you know what, I'll choose a different reason, privacy concern. And basically after that, they're going to ask you for your password to close your account. And once you successfully input your password, your account should be closed. I'm not going to close this account. I've got more things to show to you guys, but yeah, that's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.